Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to send a Dropbox link. Let's have a look now. Go to the Dropbox website and log in into your Dropbox account. Navigate to the file or folder you want to share. Hover over the file or folder you want to share. Click on the Share button. Click on Create a link or a similar option. A link to the file or folder will be generated automatically. Click on Copy link or the option to copy the link to your clipboard. Paste the copied link into an email, chat or any other communication platform to share it with your recipients. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.